Hi, welcome back on the series of tutorials with Numpy for Python. This is my third video and today I will talk about three methods as you can see on screen. We will start with choose method, which is a way to extract an element from a multi-dimensional array. It supports three modes, namely raise, clip and wrap. We will go through them one by one and see the difference in operation. Let us define a two-dimensional array with a data type int64. Let me clear the screen first. So I'm defining an array A using array method, and I want it to be two-dimensional, so I should use square brackets, and I keep it 1, 5, 3, and then I jump to second array, the second row, which is 10, 1, 2, and I will take third row, which is 10, 30 and 20. And now I will define a data type for my objects, for my elements, which is int 64. So I will start with choose method. So let me write a code first, the function first, and then I will explain how it is doing. So choose raise, and then I define a method choose. So first you need to pass the elements that you want to choose from multi-dimensional array, and you have to specify it in terms of indices 0, 1, 0, 2, 2, and then from where it has to choose from A, which is a multi-dimensional matrix, and now you can specify the mode, and I say mode equal to raise. So first let us see matrix, the multi-dimensional matrix here, and this is a it has 3 rows and 3 columns, and when we say choose raise, so choose raise, not choose raise, then you can see the output as a one-dimensional array 1, 30 and 20. And what this method is doing, so you should first look the elements that you want to extract. So the first element 0 represents the first, this represents the second, and this represents the third. So when you say 0, it will go to row 0, which is this, and then it will extract the first element, which is 1. Now you have specified the row 2, which is 0, 1, 2. So this is our second row, and then it should take the first element, because this position corresponds to the first position and this position corresponds to the second position. But now we are talking about the first position from second row. So this is 0th position, this is first position. So this will take 30. And similarly, second row, third position, which is 20. And this is why you got this result. So in this way you can choose the elements from your array. Now we have choose a mode as raise, which is a by default mode. Let us see the same method with a different mode. And now I define a mode as clip. So what this clip do, since the number of rows you have is 3, but array indices start from 0, so it is 0, 1 and 2. What will happen if I give 3? So when your mode is clip, what does it do? If you exceed the indices, then it performs n-1 and take n-1 as its reference. So now this will act as 2, and then you will get the same results as before. And now you can type choose raise, and then you will get the same result, because it will act like 0, 2, 2, because whenever you exceeds from n, it will come back to n-1. So now this 3 will act as 2, and then you will have the same results as for this function. And the last mode is wrap. So in wrap, let us define it again. What will happen in wrap mode if you exceed the indices? So 3 has exceeded already indices, and now it will treat back it as a cycle. So 3 will act as 0, 4 will act as 1, and so on. So this will form a cycle, and this will always be around 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 2. So this is nothing but equivalent to 0. And now you can see the result. Shows this. Now 0 is the first element of 0 row, which is 1, and now this is the first element of row 0, because now 3 is 0 and this position is 1, so this will take 5, and 2 is simple to understand. Okay. Now we will talk about a clip method. Suppose in this multi-dimensional array, I want to separate all the elements between 1 to 11, and I don't want anything below 1, and I don't want anything above, say, 10. So I can do this by using clip method. When I say clip A, and then I say clip, specify your element A, and then you say what is your A min. I want the minimum to be 1, and I want maximum to be 10. So what will happen? Every element which is less than 1 will be converted to 1, and every element which is greater than 10 will be converted to 10. And now you can check your result. So you see this 30, 20 is converted to 10, and everything is as it is. The last method we'll talk about is compress method. This is also a way of selecting element from your multi-dimensional array. So when I say compressed along axis 0, and I say method equal to compressed, and again you need to pass a condition, and the important thing you remember, the condition has to be a boolean. So it can be 0, 1 or true or false. So if I say 0, 1, 1, and then from where to select? Object A, and then you specify x is equal to 0. Okay, let's see A first. So I have said 0, 1, 1. So along x is equal to 0. So x is 0 covers element 1, 10, 10. So we'll see for this. So if we say 0, it will not take this element, so 1 will be neglected. But you will see, so this is true. So you will see 10 and 10. Similarly, here you will see 1, 30, and here you will see 2 and 20. Now we'll check the result for compress x is equal to 0. Okay, so as expected, we'll get the following results. In the same way, you can replace 0, 1, 1 with true, false, false. So 0 means false, 1 means true, the same way you can say true, and then you will get the same result. Okay, I hope these methods are clear to you. I will see you soon in the next video. Till then, have a good time.